To prevent moth damage to your Oriental rug, you'll need to make your rug an unwelcoming environment for moths. Here's a comprehensive approach. 1. Keep it clean. Moths are attracted to natural fibers like wool or silk that have food, dirt, or pet dander. Vacuum regularly, at least once a week, including the back of the rug and the floor underneath. Clean spills immediately. Even small food spills can attract moths. Professional cleaning, every 1 to 3 years, depending on use. Have it deep cleaned by a rug specialist. 2. Keep it well ventilated and lit. Moths love dark, undisturbed places. Avoid storage in dark, closed areas. If you must store it, wrap it properly. See below. Rotate rugs regularly. It keeps moths from settling. Expose the rug to sunlight occasionally, as moths dislike light and heat. 3. Use Moth Deterrents based on your comfort with chemicals or natural alternatives. Natural options: cedar wood blocks or chips, mildly effective, need to be refreshed often. Lavender sachets or essential oil, pleasant smell and a natural repellent. Diatomaceous earth food grade, lightly sprinkle on the underside or near the rug edge. It dehydrates moth larvae. Chemical options: mothballs or moth crystals, more effective but have toxic fumes, not recommended if the rug is in a living area. Moth sprays, look for those designed for wool and safe for use around pets or kids. 4. Safe storage practices. If storing the rug, clean before storing. Roll, don't fold, and wrap in acid-free paper or a cotton sheet. Avoid plastic, it traps moisture. Store in a dry, well-ventilated area, never on a damp floor or near walls. 5. Inspect periodically. For signs like flying moths nearby, especially in corners or under furniture. Larvae, tiny white worms, silky webbing or irregular holes in the rug. If you see signs, act quickly. A rug professional can help identify and treat the problem. If you have any question, please reach Rug Masters in Berkeley or San Francisco. We will be happy to help you on cleaning and getting rid of moths. Our phone number is 510-7040-460. Please like and subscribe my video channel so I can make it more.